look into the new Vira feature, that is the users and roles feature, where essentially an admin can grant access to Vira and its specific menu action items to the users. So this is essentially how it will be visible to any user. If they want access to the Vira dashboard, they can click on actions and they can click on this request access button.
So for the admin, this is how it will be visible. They will have to go to the menu and click on user and roles. And that is how the user who has requested for access will be visible. And from here, the admin can easily approve.
So once you have been granted access to the dashboard, but you do not have permissions to the specific tabs of Vira, this is how it will be visible. So once you open dashboard, you will be able to see the account tab and the other tabs will be logged, as you can see here. Alternatively, the admin can provide access to the user by going to the Vira dashboard and clicking on user and roles. You'll be able to find all the people that have been granted some or the other role or permission. So if one wants to give access to a specific user, they can click on add user. They can type in their email address and set permissions. You can set permissions for the users here, like for example, you want them to get access to chats, but you do not want them to access campaigns or flow mappings, but you want them to access settings. So you can choose accordingly and you can save changes. Please note that whosoever gets the access of users and roles, they can give access to other users and they can set permissions for other users as well. So it isn't the case that only the admin has the right to grant access to other users. People whosoever has the access to user and role will be able to give access to other people. You also have an option to activate or deactivate users. So for example, this user is deactivated. They are still visible, but you can see that their row is frozen. So this is a deactivated user. So that was all about the user and roles feature of Vira.